I'm so hungry. I wish I could catch some fish. They're not biting. You want a phone?
No.
You know, it would help if you would come out here and help me fish. Maybe we could catch something.
Did anybody order takeout?
No.
Yes.
Thank you.
Dude, what are you doing? First a chair, then sunglasses, now a phone, now you have takeout. Okay, this is camping. We're supposed to catch our own food, make our own beds, no electronics.
But this is natural. It comes from nearly natural cuisine.
It's green.
Of course.
Like nature.
Of course. Nearly natural cuisine. Dine in or take out.